everyone, my name is Ahlaibait from Mandy, Punjab, Pakistan. First of all, I would like to say that we look to attractive and smart as a natural phenomena among the masses, especially in the women. They are spending a lot of money on expensive and poisonous cosmetics. These chemical-based cosmetics are causing many serious problems for most of the women in the world. According to the sayings of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there is no disease for which Allah hasn't created a natural treatment. In this regard, I would like to appreciate the strenuous efforts of Hujjatul Islam al-Muslimin Sayyid John Ali Shah Qasmi and Hujjatul Islam al-Muslimin Sayyid Al-Bawali Shah Musli for providing us the Ahlaibait medicines which have the miraculous effects for every kind of disease. In this connection, I would like to mention the general problem that faced by the majority of the women in the world, that is hair fall, their dryness, thickness, and many other problems related to the hair. My beloved mother and I faced this problem for many years, and we used many shampoos and other prescriptions, but all in vain. Then my mother contacted to Hujjatul Islam al-Muslimin Sayyid Al-Bawali Shah Musli, and he advised her a herbal shampoo prepared according to the prescriptions of Jahar the Masumin alayhi salam. After its use, we have noticed a miracle effect that there is no hair fall, and their hair have become thick, and the graying effect has also stopped. So in the end, I would like to thank Jahar the Masumin alayhi salam, Sayyid John Ali Shah Qasmi and Sayyid Al-Bawali Shah Musli for preparing such a useful and valuable shampoo for the solution of this problem related to the hair. May Allah guide us to Sirat al-Mustaqim and also guide us to follow the teachings of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wassalam, iltimas.